Alright, we got another little video for you guys today. We're going to be cutting open these two Agua Nueva Agates from Mexico, from Chihuahua, Mexico. So first we're going to start with the smaller one. This one has some really nice purple color, looks like. And yeah, I'm going to cut it probably through this window here. We got a little geode in there with quartz crystals. So let's go ahead and cut it and see if we get a nice face out of this one. Alright, so my heart kind of sank as I was cutting that one because I thought I felt it break. But it did not. So, looks like we got a good one. Nice colors there. Ooh. Wow, look at those snowflakes in there. All those spots in there, that's crazy. Look at that crystal. Oh, that is awesome right there. Absolutely awesome. Wow, that's pretty. That's pretty. It's got a couple good fractures in there, unfortunately. But I love the purple in these. It's just so beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, yeah, you gotta clean this one up a little bit. It kind of fractured a little bit. At the end of my cut, you can kind of see it right there. But I can clean that up on the saw. So, no big deal. Now this one here, let me zoom out. Now if you can see that right there, so we're gonna have looks like a pseudomorph agate with this one. Looks like it's gonna have a spray right there coming into the agate. So I'm gonna cut to get a large face as possible and see if I can go right through that pseudomorph right there. This one has really no faces on it that I can see. Hopefully we won't hit any really bad fractures. I have a feeling this one might have some fractures in it, so we're going to go ahead and cut it and see what's inside of it. Alright, so I went ahead and cut it, and it went really, really fast. Wow. That's nuts. It's so full of holes. Look at all that. There's a lot of quartz in there. Look at all that pseudomorph. That's just nuts. This one's going to be a real pain to polish. I don't know if I'm going to polish this one or not. This side's a little bit better here. But yeah, that's crazy. It's got three sprays coming into it from the sides. That's nuts. That is just nuts. Alright, well, got a couple neat ones. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.